Hello students, welcome to Btech360. A lot of questions that have been coming to us from most of you students, and I'm going to pick up one of those questions, and this is about the IISc Bangalore, the BTech Mathematics and Computing program, and what kind of eligibility, what kind of scores or rank that you need in JEE Advanced to be a part of that. And before I start giving you all details, 3 requests that I always have for you. Please subscribe to Btech360. If you have any questions, write to us in the message box here so that we can help you. And I must thank our university partner, Chitkara University, for enabling this entire thing to be put together. Now about this JEE Advanced thing and how it's going to work out, right? IISc started this program only in 2022. In fact, the first batch passed out very recently in the year 26. It's one of the best programs that you have in the country as far as BTech Mathematics and Computer Science is concerned. And the reason why it happened is because earlier, IISc, was a pure sciences institution, right? It was only teaching pure sciences, which is physics, chemistry, biology, zoology, and mathematics also, and many other sciences. But once AI came into the picture, everyone who was offering just pure sciences as BSc mathematics or anything of that nature started also adding computing to it to create a BTech Mathematics and Computing courses. So IISers have also done that, and quite a few are going to do that as you move along also. I don't mind this being nomenclated as even BSc Mathematics and Computing, honestly, between you and me. But because it was a part of the JOSA counseling, IISc created the program which is BTech Mathematics and Computing. Now, because it's IISc, which is the best university that we have in the country, or the best education institution that you have in the country, or the best research institution that you have in the country, you pick up anything, IISc Bangalore would be right up there, and only after that would anyone come in. So that's the kind of pedigree and legacy that IISc has. And from that perspective, if you get into IISc, because it's an environment which is very conducive for good research, good understanding, good learning, good skilling and everything, right? So from that perspective, IISc Bangalore is a very good institution for any one of you to actually take. Now, because it's the best institution that we have in the country, the competition for this only singular BTech Mathematics and Computing program, by the way, IISc doesn't have any other BTech program. Possibly this is the only program that they have which is in BTech, which is Mathematics and Computing. And from that perspective, it is extremely difficult for you to get in. It's extremely competitive also. So when I looked at the JEE cutoff rank, JEE Advanced highest closing cutoff rank of last year, when IISc actually admitted students through the JOSA counseling for BTech and Computing, Mathematics and Computing, for the general category, the highest closing rank was 856. So it should be in the top 0.1% students of this country. Top 0.1% students of the country. For general female, because they also have a diversity pool, it was 1,707. Again, top 0.1% students of the country. EWS is 130 category rank. The category rank was 130. For OBC NCL, the category rank was 446. For SC, it was category rank 265. For ST, the category rank was 257. And for PWD, the category rank was 37. So if you notice, not a single one has crossed the 4-figure mark. In fact, most of them are 3 figures, but for general female, which is 1707. Otherwise, general category is 856. Again, extremely competitive, if you know what I'm saying. So that's the kind of competition it has, and that's the highest closing rank that you have. Just about the program, if you want to know, the program is BTech Mathematics and Computing. The institute, of course, is IISc Bangalore. They only have 52 seats here. So that is the reason why it is also very competitive for you to get into the whole thing. The selection is through JOSA, so you need to actually make a choice of IISc Bangalore, BTech Mathematics and Computing to be even considered that. So make sure that when you're filling a JOSA counseling, you also look at this particular program and also make it one of your choices and options. And in that option, a lot of people do only IITs and all. You must make sure that this is also becomes an option. The fee is very moderate at 2 lakh plus, right? And for SC/ST, most of the fee is waived also. To that extent, again, it is very inclusive from that perspective. This year was the first year when the batch graduated, and the median salary was 22.5 lakh rupees for this particular program. So again, an extremely successful placement season also that these people conducted. So if you have an option, if you are actually a meritorious student and want to join a good institution and want to do BTech Mathematics and Computing, IISc should be the preferred choice for you. And there is no two ways about it that you're going to get into the best institution that India ever produced and the best research institution that India would ever have. So that's where we are. I just hope that you get into IISc Bangalore and you actually do this particular program and come out with flying colors. That's my wish and hope. Right? Thank you so much. And 3 requests that I always have for you. Please do subscribe to Btech360. If you have any questions, write to us in the message box here. I'll be happy to answer that. And I must thank our university partner, Chitkara University, for enabling this entire thing to be put together. Thank you so much.